Oh, on le gratte, on le gratte, on le gratte. Scratch, 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 scratch.
Hello everyone. This is our new Budgie Perdu, which means lost. He's an ordinary green male, age unknown. Perdu is a lost budgie who luckily fell under the care of Perroquetsecours, a non-profit that handles lost and found parrots in our province, and for which we are a volunteer transit home. Perdu is our late budgie Babi's last disciple, so to speak, because he was in transit with us for 3 weeks before being relocated to another transit home when Babi fell ill at the beginning of October 2012. So, with Babi's help in the role of mentor, we set out first to introduce veggie greens and tropimix feed in Perdu's diet. After about 10 days, we began to let Perdu out daily for an hour or so in the dining room, where he was joined by Babi so that the mentoring could continue. Perdu was pretty skittish and often ended up in the curtains.
Perdu, t'es encore perdu dans les vidéos? Bon. Hein? Ah la voilà, petit perdu. Oui, 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 petit perdu dans les rideaux. Oh, pas si mal, pas si mal.
But Babi's presence gave him a lot of confidence, and he soon managed to gain some control.
Oh, les excités de Perruche.
When he first came to us in transit, it was obvious that Perdu was untamed and fearful of humans. He categorically refused to come out of his cage when Babi was not around. So, with Babi's help and a lot of treats, we set out to teach Perdu how to step up. Unfortunately, soon after this scene was filmed, Babi was hospitalized and Perdu was relocated elsewhere as a result of this uncertainty. After his mandatory 2 months of transit, Perdu had been put up for adoption, and we decided to take him in soon after Babi's death in early December, knowing him to be a non-dominant and non-aggressive type, therefore a good candidate for cohabitation with our tiny finch Biquette. In our next installment, we'll show how this cohabitation has turned out. Stay tuned!